Welcome back to Future Web AI. In this lesson, we're going to build your very first professional WordPress website. Let's begin by logging into the WordPress dashboard. Congratulations, you've successfully logged in. This is the WordPress dashboard. It is the control center. Here you'll manage every part of your website. Now let's install a professional WordPress theme. I'll use the free Astra theme because it's fast, lightweight, and perfect for beginners.
Excellent! The theme has finished installing. Now click Activate to apply the Astra theme and instantly transform your website.
Now let's install Elementor, the world's most popular drag-and-drop page builder. It allows you to create beautiful websites without writing a single line of code. Elementor is now installed. Let's activate it and create our very first page using the drag-and-drop editor. Let's design the hero section by adding a background image, a professional heading, a short description, and a call to action button. Now let's make our homepage look professional by adding images, service icons, and a contact section. Every professional website needs a clear navigation menu. Let's create one and assign it to our website header. Now let's make sure our website looks perfect on desktops, tablets, and smartphones. Responsive design is essential for every modern website. Fantastic! Our website is complete. Let's publish it and preview the live version to make sure everything looks perfect. Congratulations! You've successfully built your first professional WordPress website. In episode 6, we'll learn how to find this tutorial helpful. I'll see you in the next lesson.